It is February the 24th, and you're watching the... Oh, sorry guys, I thought I was watching a Fireship video. Anthropic, the company behind the Claude family of AI models, just released their latest model Claude 3.7 Sonnet a few hours ago. And not just that, they also released an agentic AI called Claude Code, meant to boost developer productivity. Let's break down this AI beast in under 101 seconds. First up, reasoning mode. While most AIs are just fancy autocomplete, Claude 3.7 actually thinks before it speaks. Pro users get this extended thinking superpower, where Claude works through complex problems step by step, instead of hallucinating garbage. Let's leave that part for the non-broke devs to try it, and leave their reviews for us. And speaking of garbage, Claude 3.7 knows when it doesn't know something. This thing has a massive knowledge base, but it admits when it's clueless, which means you can actually trust what it tells you. But knowledge isn't just words anymore. Claude 3.7 doesn't just see images, it understands them like you understand memes. And unlike your ex, Claude actually remembers your entire conversation history. But the real game changer for us keyboard warriors, Claude Code, your new terminal bestie that turns natural language into working code. Write, debug, refactor, all without leaving your command line. It's like pair programming with a 10x developer who never gets tired, hungry, or judgy about your variable names. All of these upgrades are available now: web, mobile, API, and terminal. As I bring this video to an end, here's the message Claude 3.7 Sonnet wants to pass to you. While other companies are playing checkers, Anthropic is playing 5D interdimensional chess. Whatever that means. To be honest, I don't really see anything different. Just upgrades on what already exists, and the fact that more developers are probably going to lose more money than gaining from the use of all these AIs due to subscription fees. Hopefully, it'll be a story you live to tell to your grandkids someday. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more tech breakdowns that respect your time and brain cells.